The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 5:30 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Golden Triangle or near Camden and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Cherry Hill, Magnolia, Audubon Park, Randywood, Barclay Kingston, Cherry Hill Mall, Golden Triangle, Marlton, Ashland, Springdale, Earlton, Phillipsburg, Greentree, Echelon, and Pennsauken. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 24 and 26, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. on the following counties: Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.